You dream big, but move slow. You imagine a better life, a different version of yourself, then end up lying in bed thinking about it instead of doing it. You want success, growth, freedom, but the idea of working for it feels heavy. You tell yourself, I'll start soon, and somehow soon keeps turning into never. Sound familiar? You're not broken. You're just stuck in a loop. When you're ambitious, your goals are huge. When you're lazy, your energy is small. The gap between the two feels impossible to cross. So your brain takes the easy way out. Avoid, delay, distract. It's not weakness. It's wiring. Your mind chooses comfort over challenge because comfort feels safe. But comfort kills potential. Here's the truth. You don't need to feel motivated to start. You just need to move. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes after. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll wait forever. So how do you break the lazy cycle without forcing yourself into misery? 3 simple shifts. Shift 1. Stop thinking big. Dreams are great for direction, but terrible for action. Write a book or start a business sounds exciting until you sit down to actually do it. Then your brain panics. It sees a mountain, not a step. The fix is simple. Shrink the goal. Write 1 paragraph. Open your Notes app and jot down 1 idea. Want to get fit? Just walk for 5 minutes. Small steps create quick wins, and quick wins make your brain want more. Momentum is addictive. Shift 2. Build systems, not moods. Ambitious people rely on bursts of energy. Lazy people rely on guilt. Neither works long-term. What works is routine. Systems make success boring, and boring is good. For example, if you want to learn something new, don't wait for the perfect time. Schedule 10 minutes daily, no excuses. Keep it predictable. When it's automatic, it's easier than thinking about it. Stop trying to be disciplined. Build an environment that makes discipline unnecessary. Lay your workout clothes where you'll trip over them. Keep your notebook open on your desk. Put the healthy food in front of you, not behind. Make it harder to avoid your goals than to do them. Shift 3. Start ugly. You won't feel ready. You'll make mistakes. You'll cringe at your first attempt. That's the point. Starting messy beats not starting at all. Every expert you admire began with bad work. They improved because they kept showing up. Don't chase perfection. Chase repetition. Tell yourself, I'll do this for 2 minutes. Just 2. Clean 1 part of the room. Read 1 page. Open the document. That first action triggers momentum, and momentum erases resistance. Here's the science behind it. When you act, your brain releases dopamine, not for finishing, but for progress. You literally feel rewarded for starting. So instead of waiting for motivation, use action to create it. Now let's be honest, you won't always win. You'll skip days. You'll scroll instead of work. That's fine. The problem isn't failure, it's quitting after failure. Every time you restart, you're training your brain to recover faster. That's real progress. Think of laziness like fog. It doesn't vanish instantly, but once you move, even a little, the path ahead gets clearer. Here's your reset. 1. Make your goals so small they feel ridiculous. 2. Build a simple routine that runs on autopilot. 3. Start ugly. Start unmotivated. Start anyway. And one more thing. Stop calling yourself lazy. The more you label yourself, the more you believe it. You're not lazy. You're avoiding friction. Your brain is trying to protect you from effort. So trick it. Lower the bar, move the bar closer, take 1 easy swing. That's all it takes to stop being ambitious and lazy and start being ambitious in motion. Subscribe for more insights that actually work, and see you next time.